So this comes from the positive. Is this recording? Probably. Okay. This comes from the positive side of the passenger battery. Pretty sure this will fit. Goes to this solenoid right here. I am undoing this little tiny thing that comes off of here for the time being, so I can more easily access this. Sorry. I'll get a better camera setup eventually here. You know what? I am a girl doing mechanics work. I think I'm doing just freaking fine. Not saying that a girl can't do mechanics work. Kind of the opposite. You know. But I am a mess maker. Ooh, that was good. I'm a mess maker. Careful. Don't fucking do what I just did. Touch this to the body and it goes boom boom. Okay. Now, I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing on the other side. Just no solenoid this time. Okay. Don't mind my junk. A lot of trash piles around here I gotta get rid of. Don't have a working truck again. Can't get the trash out of here again. What's new, pussycat? Whoa. Not the same thing to grab onto over here. This phone. Alrighty. Now this is easy enough. Well, unless your brother-in-law happens to remove it for you and put it back with gorilla strength. You know, damn gorilla strength. One of these two. Okay. It's always that second one that I pick up. Usually because I second guess my first guess. Okay. Take this air filter out for now. Okay. Now. So I replaced, can you see this okay? Yeah. So I replaced a couple of these terminals last year. But this cable has been going really bad, to say the least. It's kind of crunchy, kind of just, you know, not doing too good. And I am going to bring it in for replacement. Okay. This right here is the new bane of my existence. Can y'all see that? Okay. This is going to be a pain in the over there. I know a flathead probably would be a lot better for this. Just using it as a pry bar. There we go. There. But I have to go inside for that. And I kind of already told y'all I'm lazy. I don't really feel like, can you? Okay, cool. You can see that from that angle. don't really feel like going inside, getting a tool. Really? Oh, that's right, I put it back. So, not the second try, third try. On that one at least. I know I'm probably gonna post this, but I'm making it mostly so I can put it back together. I don't know what I'm doing here, okay? All I know is what I've seen from other people's YouTube videos and what I can infer from my own eyes. You know? So, okay. We are disconnected from the batteries. No more sparky spark. Now, WTF on the rest. Okay. Should have done this last night or this morning when it wasn't like 100 degrees outside. Probably would have been a good idea. I'm gonna get under the truck and see what the fuck I can see. Hold on, guys. Hey, Bobby. Okay. Huh? Oh, I see it. Okay. That's giant. Jesus. Okay, can y'all see this? So this right here that I'm touching is the cable. And it goes into this giant, massive freaking like inch and a quarter maybe? Or inch? And then this, I don't know what the to do with that. Oh, maybe I need to go further under here. Okay. Yeah, okay, hold on here. No, it's gone right there into that. What the hell? Ugh. Ugh. Ugh, ugh. Further back? Ah! Hey, I found it! I did tell y'all I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Now that is clear. I need what? 3/4 inch? Not a Phillips, a short Phillips. Because look at this. I've got only like this much space. I gotta get this Phillips screw out of there. And then, I gotta unscrew that. So, I guess I'm just gonna, can I pause this?